Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a high impact YouTube Shorts using the Filmora. From setup to export all under minutes. Let's jump in. First start by opening the Filmora and then create a new project. Then here import the video, just go to your file, then go to project settings and choose the aspect ratio for the perfect for YouTube Shorts. And then drag and drop your vertical videos into the media tab. If your footage is horizontal, just crop or zoom in to fit the vertical frame using the transform settings. And then the YouTube short is less than 60 seconds, so trim your clip accordingly. Use the cut tool to remove unnecessary parts. And then you can use the titles to add captions, calls to action, and punchline. Try animated text to keep it engaging. You can also use a sticker. Just go to sticker tab at the top of the screen and then drag in the emojis or social icons for extra flair. And then for the sound and music, you can go to audio tab to add a trending background music or sound effects. You can also adjust the volume so it doesn't empower or overpower your voice or main audio. And also for the effects and transition, you can actually add filters, transitions, and motion effects to match the fast pace of your shorts content. You can use a quick zooms, speed ramps, or glitch transition to boost energy. And then click export once you're satisfied with the video edit that you made. And then you can now create a viral YouTube shorts using Filmora. If you found this video help you, please hit like, subscribe, and drop the comment if you want more short form content tips. Thanks for watching.